nga ba si Mr. Right? Ikaw nga ba love of my life? Ikaw nga ba ang icing sa ibabaw ng cupcake ko? Ikaw nga ba si Mr. Right? Ikaw nga ba love of my life? Ikaw nga ba magbabalik ngiti sa aking mga mata? Si Mr. Right ka ba?
Ganda siya?
Good evening, class. Praise be Jesus and Mary. This is our first day of class. I would like you to introduce yourselves. It starts off. Stand up, please. I am John.
I am Candy Crush, aka Delicious.
Ryan roams rock and roll to the world.
Martinez Reyes, aka Starstruck.
Okay, let's continue. Left and go on. Girly Napoles.
I'm Joy Benay. I'm sexy and I know it!
Agent of the Speech is so familiar, a picture of daily life that we rarely post. Hey, why are you late? Come here in front and introduce yourself. I don't care, you're still late. Introduce yourself.
Gana siya nga yung English. 안녕하세요. Juno Kim Nene. Omnida.
The child is individually equipped by the complex set of factors that we term biological heredity. To put it concisely, speaking is an inherent biological function of man. Excuse me, ma'am. I think she's sleeping. Okay, let's clap our hands to the Nobel student.
Chumaro. Ano chumaro?
Would you like to continue sleeping outside?
Ma, 그거 나가라 재미노나.
Okay, next time you'll wait outside.
그거 그렇죠. 그거를 테니까 생각 안 해도 줘. 샤라자 진짜. 오, 내가 나가다 줘. 오, 이렇게 가나. 뭐라? 오, 내가 나 장어 나가다. 샤라자 진짜. 오, 뭐라 나가는 중요 말아. 공원 쳐가라. 샤라자 진짜. 오, 내가 나가는 중요 말아. 오, 좋은요. 공원 나가는 중요. 오, 얘나.
Hey babe, I'm sorry I'm late.
I know why you're late. You're hanging with a kimchi girl.
Babe, what are you talking about?
You think I'm fool?
Babe, believe me, I'm not dating other girls.
No, stop it!
Okay.
What's with her that you like?
Baby, can you just stop this? I already said sorry. Okay, fine, we're done. Hey dude, yeah, I'll be there.
wanna stop, but I just got a taste for it. I feel like I could fly with the ball on the moon. So honey, hold my hand, you like making me wait for it. Feel like I could die walking up to the room.
Wait.
Oh yeah, late night watching television, but how do we
정! 그거래 너네 정!
Relax. You're acting like a moron again.
Moron? I am a moron? You moron! 그거래잖아 찍으라며 그거로만 쟁여 그거라 나가라 찍더라.
Relax. Just want to introduce myself. I'm your Mr. Right. Hey, do you speak English?
I no speak English.
Coffee for you.
감사합니다.
Spot coffee with you?
그거라 제가 말이 좋아. 내가 대죠.
Do you really like pop?
그거라 대죠? 뭐야?
Well then, make a move.
그거 느껴야지?
I don't know, but I'm still gonna try.
그러죠?
Okay, Bash.
Pat, go, ganda na dyan eh.
Just bring some flowers for me.
Oh, 나 제가 나. 잠깐만요. 그거를 찾아. 그래.
Nang ika'y makita, mata natin ay nagtugma. Puso kong may kulang.
Kim, I have something to tell you.
뭐 대죠? 그거네 아치네.
I'm afraid.
고, 너나 쟁여. 쟁여라.
Alright. Yeah, right. Can you be my girlfriend?
이죠,
Ikaw nga ba si
뭐해요?
Mr. Right? Ikaw nga ba love of my life? Ikaw nga ba ang
my
isa?
gosh!
Na 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 na.
Whoa,
Na 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 na.
na. Naniniwala na ako sa forever, magmula nung nakilala kita.
Eh kaya nga di ako
This tree will be the witness of our love.
Sa inyo? 그거는 쟁여나?
Yes, I swear.
lalaban ko.
Na 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 na. Wala na kong pake, basta bahala na. Na 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 na.
Alam ko lang kasi minamahal kita.
Kahit pa sabihin na
Sa hindi ka
itinadhana. Na 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 na. Mahal kita kasi kaya bahala na. Ikaw yung bida na prinsesa ng drama.
ikaw yung action star na leading man.
Parang pelikula pag tayo nagsama. Ang umektra di pagbibigyan. Pagkat sa'yo natagpuan ang pinagkait sa akin.
Oh, at sa'yo naramdaman ang di ko akalaing ipaglalaban ko.
Na 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 na. Wala na kong pake, basta bahala na. Na 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 na.
Alam ko lang kasi minamahal kita.
Kahit pa sabihin na
Sa hindi ka
itinadhana. Na 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 na.
그거는 쟁여나. 그다.
Mama, believe it.
자, 이미 마음이 셋. 그거를 제발 남부지게. 아니 너무 그거는 쟁여나. 그래서 사랑해. 감사합니다. 누나. at the party last night.
Yeah, it will be more fun if Pat was my partner.
Pick up that diva. You see that?
I have a plan. Let's call the boys.
How was your Dota tournament last week? Good? Of course, as expected, we won. Hello? Madam Girly, what's up?
We have an emergency operation. Just come over here.
Let's go, dude! Madam Girly na police called us.
I'm little pissed off.
Here's the plan. I want to get rid of that kimchi girl. You will not kill her. Just scare her to death.
Okay, got it.
Then, bring her to me. I want to teach her a lesson. Are all clear?
Yeah, good. Baby, love me like it too. Shut up! Don't move! Don't shout!
Oh, go, 그렇지요. Dash. Oh my God.
Go away! Don't move!
그렇지요. 그런 말 아니야, 괜찮아. 그렇지요.
Here's your order, madam.
So, I'm thinking what I'm gonna do with you, bitch.
오늘 그렇게 좀 뭐. 그래요.
Shut your mouth, bitch! I swear, I'm gonna sue you. Really? Look at your face. Nasty and fishy kimchi.
어때 그러게 해줘.
Stay away from my path. You understand? He's mine.
그래 챙기는 뭐?
Stop that!
I will make you regret your mistake. I don't want to see your face ever again. You're a nasty kimchi! Loser! You don't belong here. Go back to hell.
Come on, run!
Hey, miss! You okay?
Come on, get up! Hey, what did you do? Hi, handsome. How dare you to talk to me? Are we close? As I know, I don't make friends with people, are you? Don't touch me. I smell your fat. It's stinky.
My God! He's so handsome. I admit he is so handsome, but so full of himself. From now on, I hate him so much. But
Pat de los Reyes, you better prepare for my return. You're so full of yourself. I'll make you pay for what you did. I curse you. You will be struck by lightning. I swear you will come kneeling to me. Someday, I promise.
I stare at my reflection in the mirror. Why am I doing this to myself? Losing my mind on a tiny error. I nearly left the real me on the shelf. No, 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 no. Don't lose who you are in the blur of the stars. Seeing is deceiving, dreaming is believing. It's okay not to be okay. Sometimes it's hard. Follow your heart. Tears don't mean you're losing. Everybody's bruising. Just be true to who you are. Brushing my hair, do I look perfect? I've forgotten what to do to fit the mold, yeah. The more I try, the less it's working. Hey, hey. 'Cause everything inside me screams na 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 na. Don't lose who you are in the blur of the stars.
It's time for my revenge. Just wait, Pat de los Reyes. You'll surely learn your lesson. Watch out for a beautiful and much better version of me.
Tears don't mean you're losing. Everybody's
I
bruising.
saw you at the lobby earlier. I was thinking we can be friends.
Yes, no egos, fake shows like whoa, just go and leave me alone. Real talks, real life, good love, good night. When
Sorry I'm late. Thank you.
I guess it's true, I'm not good at a one-night stand, but I still need
First time I
cause I'm
saw you,
just a
my
man.
heart say I should follow.
And these nights never seem to go to plan. I don't want you to leave, will you hold my hand?
I'm sorry.
Won't you
I don't find you attractive.
with me? 'Cause you're
Hello, Kim. I'm here in the Philippines. Everyone was noticing my changes.
this ain't love, it's
They said I'm beautiful and sexy now. Yeah. Okay. Bye.
Changes?
with me.
Yeah, you don't remember me?
Yeah. Don't you remember me?
So emotional.
Remember? You dumped me before.
Gain some self-control.
What were you saying? I can't dump a lady like you.
Yeah, you did. Let me show you. The real
But you can lay with me so it doesn't hurt. Oh, won't you stay with me? 'Cause you're all I need. And this ain't love, it's clear to see. But darling, stay with me. Oh, won't you stay
So
with
dumb.
me? 'Cause you're all I need.
Someone's life. What's wrong with me?
This ain't love, it's clear to see.
Nothing left.
But darling, stay with me. Oh, won't you stay with me? 'Cause you're all I need. This ain't love, it's clear to see.
I'm here.
Isang araw naghihanda, naglaro ang tadhana. Nang ika'y makita, mata natin ay nagtugma. Puso kong may kulang, napuno na lang bigla.
Sorry, Kim. I love you.
Kaya pag-ibig na kaya. Ikaw nga ba si Mr. Right? Ikaw nga ba love of my life? Ikaw nga ba ang icing sa ibabaw ng cupcake ko? Ikaw nga ba si Mr. Right? Ikaw nga ba love of my life? Ikaw nga ba magbabalik ngiti sa aking mga mata? Si Mr. Right ka ba? Mr. Right na ba? Mr. Right ka ba? Kahit na malabo, di alam sa tutungo. Pero di pagkakait, hinihiling ng puso ko. Matagal na rin naghihintay, tumibok ang puso ko. O sana nga si Mr. Right ka na. Ikaw nga ba si Mr. Right? Ikaw nga ba love of my life? Ikaw nga ba ang icing sa ibabaw ng cupcake ko? Ikaw nga ba si Mr. Right? Ikaw nga ba love of my life? Ikaw nga ba magbabalik ngiti sa aking mga mata? Si Mr. Right ka ba? May isang nilalang para sa buhay mo. May isang nilalang na para lang sa'yo. Ikaw nga ba si Mr. Right? Ikaw nga ba love of my life? Ikaw nga ba ang icing sa ibabaw ng cupcake ko? Si Mr. Right ka ba? Mr. Right na ba? Mr. Right ka ba? Mr. Right na ba? Mr. Right ka ba?
Friday night, date night, I say pick out what you like. I don't care as long as you're here. Surprise, surprise, ain't that nice? Same old chick flick, 18th time. You know the one with that guy. Halfway through, look at you, smiling like you always do. And I can't help but just stare. 'Cause suddenly it hits me as I watch you make believe. I wanna make this your reality. And if you be every time you come around, I'm like, ooh, ooh, baby, ooh, ooh, baby. When I see you break it down, I like you do, baby, you do, baby. Papa told me,
Bangga eh. Buno daw, tro.
Apa kita? Ya, magsigay mo to. Ba, yan na, ulita. Anak, sige, ulita. Sige, ano na? Oh, kanong kami.
Go, nong!
Early AM, breakfast after the mayhem, baby, cause they don't make them like you. I hope that you hate them. Black Costa, a virgin, I keep on working, they working, I swipe it perfect. Go ahead.
Sa kasayahan.
Circuit like Miley.
I'm like, ooh, ooh, baby, ooh, ooh, baby. When I see you break it down, I like you do, baby, you do, baby. Papa told me, boy, don't never let down your guard. But when you touch my hand, talk that talk. I gotta knock it in my knees and I wobble in
Ay, gusto niya ako sa iyakan.
Wobble, wobble, satisfaction my motto. Show me and lead the way, and baby I'll follow. Promise you ecstasy, long as you're here with me. No promise at all, my love be guaranteed. Cause baby I'll hit the throttle, make our way to the grotto. Private dancing today, some flavor mention tomorrow. It's all free, cause I agree, you make 'em weak. Talk about my needs, anything you need, girl.